Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this really cool bare face video effect on CapCut PC, like before and after bare to makeup face. So I just have this photo right here and I'm just going to copy and paste it. Then I'm going to select enhance and I'm just going to scroll down to makeup, and I'm going to find like a makeup that I want to add it to her. I'm trying to find one that like you can actually see the difference, like this one. I'm just going to go to lipstick and I'm just going to make it more vibrant, I guess. And then once you're done, you're just going to simply select mask and you're going to select horizontal and you're going to split it halfway like this, possibly in the middle of her face. And you can even add like a line. So add in a white stock video, select mirror, and you're just going to rotate that. And you're going to make it so that it's super small, and you're going to add that on your photo. I'm just going to go back here and move the mask a little bit like that. And you can see the before and after. Possibly it's better to do it the other way around, so that the after is on the right side instead of the left side. And then you're just going to type in the word before here and after here, like around this side. Just press shift so that it stays in the same place. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.